Good morning, this is Jean Maureen Pilos. Here's the code for our first activity, which is the blinking lights in embedded system. And here's the output. Since my ESP32 has no built-in LED, I use the breadboard LED and resistor. The LED is connected to G2, the positive LED is connected to G2, and the resistor which is connected to LED and to ground of ESP32. Good morning, this is Jean Maureen Pilos, and here's my activity 1 for the bouncing. And here's the code. And here's the circuit. The LED and the resistor remain the same. The positive LED still connected to G2. And for the debouncing, I add the push button that is connected to G4 and ground. When you click the button, the LED will turn on and off. Good morning, this is Jean Maureen Pilos, and here's my activity for activity 1, dimming. Here's the code, and here's the output. I need to switch with a longer breadboard because the previous is small. And the LED and resistor is still connected to G2, and the potentiometer output is connected to G34. And here's the output. Morning, this is Jean Maureen Pilos, and here's my activity for activity 1, servo sweep, and here's the code. And here is my output. The middle part of the potentiometer is connected to G32, and for the servo motors it is connected to G15. And here's the output. When you turn the knob of the potentiometer, the servo motor will move. And when you move it backward,